deal, y'all? It's your boy j.koolii back with another video. Today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys my little $200 mod that made my Mustang go from a quiet Mustang to something that sounds like a muscle car now. So basically what I did is I got a Roush X pipe. I had my boy TJ put it on. I put him somewhere in the video, his Instagram. But he's out in Flat Rock. He put it in. He do good work, good exhaust work, all that good stuff, suspension, headers, everything. So shout out to him. He put it in for me, and I didn't think it was gonna make that big of a change in the sound, because I was gonna cut my cats. But now that it's on, I feel like it made like a really big change in the sound. It's a lot more raspy now. So like with scat packs, like if you got a scat pack, like, you know, if you get a mid-muffler delete, it just awakens the car a lot. Like, it's a lot louder, a lot raspier. I don't know about y'all, but I like that raspy sound from especially muscle cars. I mean, I think that's what muscle really is. Like, I don't think a low monotone burble is not justice, especially for modern day muscle cars. I want to be heard, I want to be seen, feel me, all that good stuff. So I'm basically give y'all a couple clips of how you know, the exhaust sound like a rev. I'm gonna just have everything all the way open, everything track, active exhaust all the way open. Quiet mode is still quiet if that's what y'all wondering, if y'all want to, you know, see that type of stuff. But I ain't gonna do all that. I'm gonna go straight to the mook, as tall guy would say, and just leave the whole exhaust open. I still have cats, X pipe, active exhaust. That's all. That's the only thing. Only mod is the X pipe right now. There's no drone inside, because you have active exhaust. You can turn it off whenever you want. If you get irritated with it, you can make it disappear. That's why I like active exhaust. That's one thing I like about the new Mustangs. If this is your first time watching, I just bought this 2021 Mustang GT. I'm excited to, you know, on this journey with y'all to build this thing up. I'm still undecided on whether I should just go E85 or get a blower or turbos, but like, if y'all think y'all got a good idea of what I should do next to this car, just leave a comment below. But yeah, so I'm gonna go over what TJ did right fast, and then we're gonna go to the clips, and then maybe some revs or stuff like that, and I'll give y'all like a POV drive at the end of, you know, how the car sounds with the X pipe installed on the car. So I'm gonna head outside right fast, show y'all what was done to the car, and then we're gonna get into the video. All right, y'all, so this is what was done to the car. So I got 4-inch tips all around at the bottom. As you can see, they kind of dirty right now already, but it is what it is. I guess I just cleaned it or something like that, but we got the 4 tips. And another mod I did was I put a replica wheel, so it's 19 by 11 instead of 19 by 9.5. So it's a lot wider, so I can fit a 305 on here easier. What I have is a Nitto 555 R2. It's just like one of my favorite wheels. If you have a muscle car and you want to drive in the rain still, but still looking for extra grip, this is the perfect tire for you. 555 R2. I don't know anything about the 555 regulars. I hear this is a totally different tire, even though it has the same name. I heard that tire was pretty trash, so people probably think like this tire is probably trash, because I guarantee you this is like a R888R. Little less grip, a lot more rain traction. So this is like one of the safest muscle car tires, in my opinion, through my experience in my 3 cars. I had it anywhere from a Hellcat Scat Pack, and now on my Mustang GT. But yeah, this is beside the point. We'll probably do another video on this a little bit later, and I can't show you the X pipe right now, but it is on there. Trust me, you'll know. I'm gonna do a little cold start for y'all. It probably won't be that loud because I just got out the car literally, but a little bit louder. Shout out to the earbuds. So let's head inside. I'm gonna show you these clips right fast, and then we'll do a POV drive. Starting the POV drive. Engine start. Got the beautiful digital dash. Recaro seats. If it's like too much wind noise, sorry. I'm gonna just put it down a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna put all of it on there because I don't got my prescription. So anyway, so let's get into the drive, POV drive. I'm gonna shut up now and y'all enjoy the new X-pipe sounds of the Mustang. that is the end of this video. If you like the video, like, comment, and subscribe for me. I love this car, y'all. Like, I know I came from the red eye, whatever, but this is a true sports car. And I never really, like, I rented a Corvette before, but it's a whole different feel.